Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is how to convert text to images. I'm sure this video will be helpful for you. Let's start the video and follow all the steps. Now, open your browser and type aianime-generator.com, hit enter. This is the website we will use. Open it and we'll come to the main interface. There are some additional tools available if you need. You can use them. Now, click the Start button. It may take some time to load, so please wait a few seconds. Once it loads, you will see this interface. And here, you will find some settings or advanced settings. You see, here's some different image style. You can choose image styles such as anime, 3D model, digital art, and pixel art. Here, you can choose image revolution size. There are also some advanced features you can use to further customize your image. Now, come back to the main interface. Here, you can enter the text describing how you would like the image to be created. I have already written this text, so I can copy it from here and paste it there. You can also give a negative prompt specifying what things should not appear in the image. I will provide these prompts in the description for you to use them and get ideas from them. Next, click on the Generate button. The tool will start processing your text and generating your image. It may take some time, so please wait a few seconds until the image is ready. Now, here's the image. You can see it has generated in a high-quality anime style. If you like or you are satisfied with the result, you can download it by clicking here on the Download button. You can see that it generates in a high-quality or accurate image based on the prompt I provided. If you want to generate another image, simply follow the same steps. You can generate unlimited images, and it's totally free. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will continue to make helpful tutorials for you.